Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, in this video I will be explaining you with the help of 15 minutes chart, 2 hours chart, and then finally with the daily chart explain you how the price of gold is moving in the next 2 days. If you look at the particular chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading around $4937.140. Okay, and if you see this particular pattern, we have seen there is a clear U pattern has formed. After that, there is an upside. A clear U pattern has formed, and then there is an upside. So remember that if the price started falling below $49.33, there is a higher chances this particular pattern will go further down, and yes, it can go further down towards 49.22, and this is a pattern forming showing that if the price keep falling below 49.32, we can see there can be a further fall towards 49.22 and then a further downfall towards 49.04, and a probability of falling towards 48.87 can be seen. Okay, as we have seen, today's low was around 48.65, so chances of further fall can be there. Okay, but looking at this particular chart, we have seen on a 15-minute chart this trend is break towards this side, and if the price keep moving above a level of $48.39, there is own breakout will happen and further upside can be seen. Trailing your SL by around $5 to $10 on the basis of 15 minutes chart will be helpful if the price keep moving up 48 $38. Okay, but if it keep falling below a level of around $49.08, we can see there can be a further fall, so chances of further downfall can be there. You can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, there is a clear M pattern is forming, so we can see a further downfall if the price keep falling below 49.34, or if it's keep moving below $48.90. Okay, now coming back on a 2 hours chart basis, we can see that there is the price of gold is trying to go narrow. If you see this pattern, we have seen the prices moving in this particular zone. Okay, there is two patterns are forming. First, we have seen this is the pattern is forming, which is trying to go narrow. Okay, second thing, if you see this particular level, we have seen it is moving in a particular zone for quite some time. Okay, so suppose if it keep moving above this level, see, this is the pattern it is forming, trying to go narrow in this zone. So we can see that if the narrow zone moves upside, okay, I'll show you with the help of trend line so you'll understand more clearly that there is a chances that if this trend line breaks upside, chances of going further high can be seen. Okay, this trend line breaks above a level of around $49.68, that if the price sustain over 49.68, chances can be high. We can see there can be a further upside towards a level of around $50.01. From there we can see it can move towards $15.19, and if the price moving out this level, probably going towards 50.25 to a level of 50.46, and then a further upside. So trail your SL by around $20 if the price sustain above this level, of $15 depending on your risk. But if the price started coming down, because if you see from this particular pattern, we can see from $49.71, we can see that it can bounce back from that particular zone. But suppose if the price started coming down, it can touch a level of $49.16. If the price started going below this level, chance of going towards 49.07 is there. Okay, suppose the price started going below that particular level, chance of going towards 48.86 is there. This level is already weak, so we can see the price will go further down, and if the price keep moving below 48.80, we can see this is the pattern it will show, and further downfall can be seen, so chances of going further fall can be there towards a level of around $48.50. Okay, and if the price keep falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards 47.87 and then a further low. So trail your SL by around $20 if the price keep moving below a level of around $48.83, and if the price keep falling below that level, a further downfall can be seen. Now coming back on a daily chart, what you can see, if you look at a particular daily chart, we can see that this is the pattern it is showing still. See, this is the particular pattern. It is again, we have seen it is trying to go narrow. Okay, so remember that if I'll show you the help of trend line, you can understand more clearly that the price is moving in this particular range. Okay, so when this range breakout happens towards downside, we can see there can be a probability that the price can go further low, because you have to understand that the price is moving in this particular zone for quite some time. So when there is a zone breakout, we can see there can be a further fall. Okay, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price started sustaining this level, we can see it can move towards $50.21. That is a resistance one. And if the price moving up that level, we can see a level of $50.27. Or suppose if the price started going higher, we can see a level of $50.48, which is a resistance 3. And if the price moving off that particular level, chance of crossing a level of 50.90 can be seen, because this 50.90 is already weak level. So we can see the price will go above that level, and yes, after that a probability of going towards 51.22 can be seen. So trail your SL by around $15 or $20, so at least you will capture upside movement. But if the price started coming down, it can come down towards a level of around $48.90, which is weak level. So we can see the price will fall further down and it can touch a level of 48.83. Okay, and if the price moving below that level, chance of touching 48.51 can be seen to a level of around 47.72. So remember, as soon as the price keeps falling below a level of 48.94, which is a weak level, okay, so if it started going below that level, we can see a level of 48.67 to a level of $47.72. And if the price falling below this level, chance of going towards 46.92 can be seen. So trailing your SL by around $20 or $25, depending on if the price moves below that level or goes upside, is very helpful. And you can, if it breaks this trend line, there is a probability of upside. And if the price keeps falling below a level of 4900, chances of further fall can be seen, and this trend line can be breaks downside. But if it started going upside above a level of 5000, chances of crossing above a level of around 50.21 can be there, and then a further upside can be seen, and this trend line will breaks towards upside. Okay, so trail your SL by around $20, so at least you will capture upside movement as well as downside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.